Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun. Watch out! No, stop!
Waar jij hier bang voor hoeft te zijn, is je eigen verbeelding.
Ja, dat. En natuurlijk de brute.
I hereby dub thee.
He's our friend, Convoy. He really wanted to come to the countryside, so we drove here together.
What? Ready, buddy? Ready? All right, Dan. Get her done. I'm happier than a tornado in a trailer park.
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
Ed, can you move over? I want to get a look at that sexy hot rod.
Get back, you oil-thirsty parasite!
Actually, this is my good side here.
Movie. I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it. PP.
Thank you, Shannon. It was a great move. Hey!
pit stop.
Lightning McQueen!
What do you think? Radiator Springs looks... Rookie has won the Piston Cup.
Yes! We have a three-way... Did you set him straight with your lawyerly powers of persuasion? Is he ready to start training?
Well,
That?
Put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Neither one of them has a single deck.
Oh, I'm gonna fix that! Who'll be jamming now?
Tomica, it's voice activated. But, you know, everything's voice activated these days.
Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will...
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente. Y fuera.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah!
¡Brasil! ¡Ah!
Gracias. Niñito, el primero en California se queda con Tainoco, todo para él.
Ah, no, ¿cómo creen? No.
thanks, guys.
Oh, man, the paint's still wet! Bellissima! Thank you for your support and your big mistake! Your rusty tail's down here. I created a drink in your honor. Yeah, the Rusty's medicated bumper.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old daddy rabbit.
Thanks, dear. Wouldn't be nothing without you.
Well, I create feelings in others they themselves don't understand, and blah, 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 blah.
Identified as Crop Hopper 7. I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well,
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with my...
con questi bulloni del cavolo, le micane non funzionano!
Bubbling boilers! I must make sure I shunt busier than ever.